Want to know how to check your account or access your account after logging in booking.com? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your web browser and type in booking.com. So once you have typed in booking.com, you should be provided with this interface right here. So once you're under this interface, make sure you are logged in. So once you have logged in, you should be seeing your name on the top right side. So you can just simply select it. So once you have selected your name, here you should be seeing my account. So you can just simply select my account right here. And now once you have selected that, here you should be seeing of your account information as we're about to see. So you can just simply see your level as well, that is level 1, which has various effects and offers. So you can also see payment information, your account that you can manage, and much more. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.